Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue practice about expression with double bracket. And you can see in this slide, we work with bracket and the coefficient of h will be different to 1. So let's practice, and in this one, you will have 8 examples, and I hope you can do it by yourself first, and then you can compare to my solution. Okay. So the first example, you got something like this. Let's start with example 1. You got the first bracket, 4 outside the bracket multiply 2x plus 2, and the second bracket you got plus 3 and 2x plus 5. So the first step, you will take break or expand the first bracket. 4 outside will multiply to 2 terms inside the bracket. 4 multiply 2h plus 4 multiply 2, and expand the second bracket. You got 3 outside will multiply 2x, and then 3 multiply 5. And the second step, you will simplify the first line. You got 4 times 2 is mean 8x. You got 4 times 2 is mean 8. 3 times 2x, you got 6x, and the last term you got 15 because you have 3 multiply 5. So the next step, you can combine x to x and constant number, something like this. And then the last one, or the final answer, you got 14x and 23. Yeah, this is the first example. Example 2, you will work positive and something here you got negative number, and expand the first one. 4 multiply 3x and 4 multiply 1 like this. And very carefully about your working out, this is very useful for you. Minus 5 multiply x and minus 5 times 2. But for 2 here, because in front of 2 you got positive sign, so I don't need to write out positive in here anymore. That's minus 5 times 2. So second line, you simplify it. 12x plus 4 minus 5 times x and minus 10. And then combination like this, and 4 minus 10. Yes. So this first 12x minus 5x, you got 7x, plus 4 minus 10 is mean negative 6 or minus 6 here. Yes. Example 3, the same thing. You got 7 times 4x plus 7 times 2 minus 3 times 2 and minus 3 times 2x. 28 h here. 7 times 2 you got 14. 6 times 2 you got 6, and 3 times 2 you got 6. 3 times 2 you got 6 and 8 here. Yeah, 28 minus 6h and plus 14 minus 6. So the first term in result, you got 28 minus 6 is mean 22x. And for this one, you got 8. 14 minus 6. Example 4, you got something in here. Oh, you can see now I have the negative sign here and negative inside the bracket, so very carefully about this step. So first step, very easy. 5 times 2 and 5 times 8. Another one, you got minus 3 times 4, and the last term is minus 3 multiply minus 2x. But if I write out like this is wrong way for writing. Yeah, you should put the negative sign in here inside the bracket like this. So 5 times 2 you got 10. This is 5, 8. This is 12. And negative times negative, yes, very carefully about this one. You got plus 6x. Yeah, you got plus 6x in here. So I will combine 5x and stand together with 6x like this, and 10. Why I can write down here is plus 10, because in the previous slide I have 10 here. No sign in front of 10 is mean that is positive number. That's why I put here plus 10, And how about 12? That is minus 12 because in front of 12 I have negative sign. Okay, so this is 11x and this is minus 2. Why you got minus 2? Because you got 10 minus 12 here. So minus 2 is my final answer for this calculation. So that is the example 4. Example 5. Okay, one more time, you got negative sign here and negative sign here. 8 times 3 minus 8 times 2x. Why I have here? Because positive 8 multiply negative 2x. So positive times negative, I got minus or negative sign here. And the next term, you got minus 4 times 3x and minus 4 times negative 2, like this. 8 times 3, you got 24, and for this one, you got 16x, minus 16x. Minus 4 times 3x, it will be minus 12x, like this. And the last term, that is not negative 8. That is not negative 8. That have to be plus x, because negative times negative, you got positive. So how many x you have here? Yes, minus 16x and minus 12x. And how about 24? That is positive 24 and positive 8. So for this one, you got negative 28x and 32 in last term. Example 6. 5 times 4 minus 5 times 3x minus 4 times 2x minus 4 times minus 1, and minus 1 I will put it inside the bracket like this. 5 times 4, 20, minus 5 times 3, 15x, minus 4 times 2, 8x, minus 4 times minus 1, you got plus 4. Okay, minus 15x and 8x here, plus 20 plus 4, and for this one you got 23x and plus 24, minus 23x and plus 4, because minus 15 minus 8 you got minus 23x, like this. Question 7. Don't forget stop video, do it by yourself first, and then you can play it to watching my solution. Yeah, the first line is quite easy. This one, okay, 36, 27x, minus 10x, and last one have to be plus. Okay, so about x, minus 27, minus 10x, plus 36, plus 35. Yep, this is minus 37x, and the last one will be 71. Yeah, I told you this video have 8 examples, so this is last one. Okay, expanding, you got 10 times 5 minus 10 times 3x minus 7 times 4 minus 7 times x. Why I don't write down plus 8 in here? Because plus is mean positive, so I don't need to rewrite the positive sign. But if you write down positive sign for 8, it doesn't matter, it still be right. Okay, 15 minus 30 minus 28 and minus 7x, like this. Okay, minus 38 minus 7x plus 50 minus 28, yep, minus 37x, and here is plus 22. Yeah, okay, so I hope you can work and understood about these 8 examples. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have right answer for this video, your math skill improves so much. Yeah. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.